Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO V50e to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow. Then whatever you want to in all the other pop-ups. And finally, over here, hit send at the bottom left corner of your Vivo and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Vivo, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then you need to select Send next to Selected at the bottom. In some of those categories though, like Contacts, you can select Allow a few more times. And then you will only be able to access your files. After choosing Send, hit Got It in the pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add Allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. If you wish to input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button to connect. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!